I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Linux Mint versus Linux Mint Debian Edition. We'll explore their foundational differences and how these impact your daily computing. Linux Mint, the more common version, builds upon Ubuntu, while LMDE is a direct derivative of Debian Stable. Understanding this distinction is key to choosing the right system for your needs. Let's dive into the specifics of each distribution. When it comes to software, the base distribution makes a big difference. Standard Linux Mint benefits from Ubuntu's vast and current software ecosystem, offering a wide array of applications. LMDE, however, leverages Debian Stable's reputation for rock-solid stability, meaning its software packages are thoroughly tested. This often results in less frequent but incredibly dependable updates for LMDE users. Regarding performance and hardware compatibility, both Linux Mint and LMDE are well optimized. You'll find excellent responsiveness on contemporary systems with either choice. However, LMDE, being closer to Debian Stable, can sometimes offer a marginally lighter footprint, which might be noticeable on older or less powerful hardware. Rest assured, driver support for a wide range of components is strong across both distributions. Ultimately, the user experience between Linux Mint and LMDE is remarkably similar. They both offer the same beloved desktop environments like Cinnamon, Mate, and XFCE, ensuring a familiar and intuitive interface. Your choice often comes down to preference for a Ubuntu versus a Debian base, and how you prioritize software freshness versus ultimate stability. For more information and to explore other great tech, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other deals you might enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.